All right, everyone, I'm here with Alex today. Alex is my model, and he's not nearly as good looking as I am, but we settled for Alex, okay?
It'll do.
It'll do. He'll do. But anyway, so in the before shot, you saw he's got really an amazing canvas to work with. He's got that perfect hair texture. Now, his hair, I want to point out, you know, he's blonde, and blondes tend to be on the finer side. The hair itself is a bit more fine, but he's got so much hair. So this is something that makes it great to work with because you can really mold and shape the hair. So what I want to do is give him a really nice haircut. Nothing super crazy, but it's more about the styling process. So let's just turn this way. I want to create a little more texture, rebalance the shaping through here to have something kind of coming a bit more forward, a bit more textured and messy, but also with a little bit of length in through here. So, you know, it's going to look awesome. I'm ready to go. Let's get started.
I'm ready to go.
You ready?
I'm ready.
Let's do it.
Let's do it.
She said that she hate me, I hate me too. I can always tell when you're lying, girl, you're see-through. All these miles away, yeah, I just wanna see you. Baby, give me good face, she hit me like seafood. Number one, I saw you, hi, it's nice to meet you. Know my old girl salty, she just wanna be you. I'm a dog, no Maltese, I don't wanna leave you. Once you're right here, I just don't wanna mistreat you, no. Cause I've been a douchebag before, baby girl, I don't wanna repeat. She just won't please me, she look in my eyes, told me why are you bleeding? And I don't even know how to answer. I take these drugs to my bladder. She say she noticed a pattern. She say I look gorgeous, I tell her I'm flattered. But I hate my reflection. When I look at you, all I see is perfection. I'm so depressed and I don't know the reason, just wanna feel better. Hate my reflection. When I look at you, all I see is perfection. I'm so depressed and I don't know the reason, just hope I feel better. Don't know the reason, just hope I feel better. I just hope I feel better. You said that you love me, don't know if it's still true. Hate it when you're not here, love it when I'm with you. You say you don't trust me, all the shit we've been through. Why you always upset? I don't really get you, I don't really get you. Why should I always gotta be so stressful? Baby, can you tell me why are you so vengeful? I don't understand you, I can't live without you, but I can't fucking stand you. I'm just so obsessed, I should take better care of myself, but fuck it. Blacked out in public, on that like she upset, but I know she love it. I hate my reflection, when I look at you, all I see is perfection. I'm so depressed and I don't know the reason, just wanna feel better. Hate my reflection, when I look at you, all I see is perfection. I'm so depressed and I don't know the reason, just hope I feel better. Don't know the reason, just hope I feel better. I just hope I feel better.
The haircut on Alex is complete, and he looks incredible. He made me cut this 14 times. 14 times to get this look.
I have to put him to the test, you guys. It's the salon guy.
I know, he really did. He goes, until we do at least 5 or 6 haircuts and I like it, then we'll go for the final one. Oh God, you LA people are, man.
It could have taken you like 10, it took you 2 tries.
You LA people are hard to please, man. Just because you're a big actor, just because you think you're all that, just, no, I'm kidding. Thank you, bro. So anyway, what I did is, for the final cut, as I did do a pretty close taper, and this is kind of the look I want to do on Alex, because he has the perfect hair type to create that textured, spiky, really textured look, which is great. So I faded this up nicely in through here and blended this all in to the top and added a lot of pieciness and separation in through here. Used the Tidal Wave, which is a great base foundational spray, blow dried it. Now the thing about his hair is he had a part here before, and a great way to get rid of the part is by cutting it all even this way and then blow drying it all forward, because his hair grows forward. So the reason why your hair may stick up in some parts is because when you go against it, it just sticks up because it doesn't grow that way. So if you work it all forward and then you kind of mess it up, you have a lot more control of it. Then I finished the style with my new crafted sea salt styling paste. And also, if you use code YouTube20, you get 20% off and free shipping in the United States. I have my own hair products, man. What do you think so
smells
far?
good. You didn't pitch that part.
That's my
It
cologne, bro.
smells
That's my
good.
cologne, dude.
I wasn't the sea salt.
It was. It was the sea salt. It was the tidal wave, and the sea salt paste. That's right.
Yes.
I appreciate it, and it really works great on his hair. So, what do you think, man? How was the experience of me cutting your hair? Did you have a soft touch?
Getting long, yeah, soft touch, comfortable. My favorite part, this little spin.
Look at that, man. Look at that.
I've mastered it.
I'm just warning you. You are going to get a bunch of people following you. I have 96 million followers on Snapchat,
6 million.
and there's this new thing called Steve Chat.
That many users. Steve Chat.
Yeah, it's new. Only I have it.
Okay.
Only I have it, and
And
I'm
it's
the
just
biggest
talk
guy on
to-
it.
Okay.
I'm the only one on it, but I'm the biggest.
How do I make the cut? Okay.
You have to name it to be Steve, man. You know what I mean?
I'll be back. It's like, what, like a week?
Yeah, that's
Legal name change.
That's right. So anyway, man, I appreciate it. Everyone go follow him seriously, and thank you for being part of this, and we'll see you guys soon.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
All right.